Tired with the same old technology? Does your everyday routine want a burst of creativity? Look no further. We've discovered 5 incredible devices and technologies that will change the way you live, work, and play. Ready to experience the future by putting your gym into your pocket and keeping your devices charged while on the road. Before proceeding further, please ensure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to receive future updates before continuing. Today, we're diving headfirst into the future with 5 crazy tech gadgets and inventions that will blow your mind. From helpful robots to translation devices, these things are straight out of science fiction. So, the number 1 gadget is Nano Drone. Nano drones are the tiny titans of the drone world. Smaller than your hand, these pocket-sized marvels pack a surprising punch. Don't be fooled by their size. Nano drones can often be equipped with live camera feeds, allowing you to see the world from a whole new perspective. Their small size and agility make them perfect for squeezing through tight spaces, capturing unique angles, and exploring hidden corners. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or just starting out, a Nano drone offers an exciting and accessible way to experience the thrill of flight. Compact yet powerful, the Nano drone is your gateway to endless adventures. Number 2 is HyperDrive Backpack. The HyperDrive Backpack isn't your average school bag. This tech-focused pack caters to the modern on-the-go lifestyle. While details are scarce, the name hints at potential charging capabilities. Keeping your devices juiced up throughout the day, it likely boasts well-organized compartments to store your laptop, textbooks, and everyday essentials. Furthermore, some versions might even integrate Apple's Find My technology, offering peace of mind by letting you track down your misplaced backpack with ease. Whether you're a digital nomad, a busy professional, or an adventurous traveler, the HyperDrive Backpack is the ultimate companion for staying connected and productive on the move. Number 3 is the self-driving car. Remember those Jetsons cartoons? Well, self-driving cars are slowly becoming a reality. Imagine kicking back, relaxing, and letting your car do all the work. These cars use a complex system of cameras, sensors, and AI to navigate the roads safely and efficiently. The self-driving car, also known as an autonomous vehicle, is the future of transportation on the horizon. Imagine a car that can whisk you to your destination without you ever needing to touch the steering wheel. While not yet perfected, self-driving cars hold immense potential. They can revolutionize traffic flow, improve safety by reducing human error, and even provide mobility solutions for those who cannot drive themselves. As society embraces this transformative technology, the self-driving car emerges not just as a gadget, but as a beacon of progress shaping the future of mobility. Number 4. Portable solar chargers. Portable solar chargers are a game changer for anyone who loves adventure or spends time off the grid. Imagine being on a backpacking trip, miles from an outlet, yet being able to recharge your camera to capture stunning scenery. Or picture yourself at a music festival, enjoying the tunes without the worry of a dead phone. Portable solar chargers make these scenarios a reality. Stay powered up on the go with portable solar chargers that harness the sun's energy to charge your devices, perfect for outdoor adventures or emergencies. Number 5. Smart Wallet. The smart wallet epitomizes the fusion of technology and everyday convenience, revolutionizing the way we manage our finances on the go. This sleek accessory goes beyond its traditional counterpart, integrating advanced features like radio frequency identification blocking technology, GPS tracking, and biometric security measures to safeguard your valuables. The smart wallet not only provides peace of mind against loss or theft, but also empowers users with a smarter, more efficient approach to personal finance management in the digital era. It's important to note that not all of these gadgets are right for everyone. Consider your needs and budget before making a purchase. But if you're looking for a way to make your life a little easier or more fun, there's sure to be a tech gadget out there for you. So there you have it, 5 crazy tech gadgets and inventions that might just change the way we live. What gadget are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome tech content.